Hi friends, now let's continue deep into what reinforcement learning is. So first let us formally try to understand what it means. So reinforcement learning basically is a learning mechanism which any natural living being uses. Reinforcement learning is an important branch of machine learning, and here we can realize sequential decision making under uncertainties through end-to-end learning. So reinforcement learning can realize sequential decision makings under uncertainties because we can't predict what could happen next, but we still have to know what we need to do. So for any process starting from beginning till the end, so we need to have a series of decisions to make, and at every step we do have uncertainties. And taking care of all this, we try to learn, and that is what we call reinforcement learning. So we have made a series of significant breakthroughs in robot applications. So when it comes to robotics, so reinforcement learning is a best tool for making any actions possible by the robots. So this will enhance the future manipulation of dynamic system with past data. The most important aspect of reinforcement learning or in general machine learning is we can take the past data and try to understand the pattern in the available data and try to build a dynamic system, and this dynamic system should be a prototype or a mirror image of the system we are working with, or in technical terms we can call it a digital twin. So look at some goals of reinforcement learning. So the goal is to design systems that use richly structured perception, perform planning and control that adequately adapt to environmental changes. So the goal is to design a system that uses richly structured perception. So the perception, whatever we have, so the agent is perceiving the environment, and this perception is used to perform planning and control that adequately adapt to the environmental changes. So that's the goal of reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is a new term coined today in the recent days when we started talking about machine learning and all that. This reinforcement learning has come to the reinforcement learning has come to the surface, but since centuries the concept was available, and that was known as a Markov decision process. So more details, more technical insights in our coming session. So keep watching. Thank you.